Welcome to Not So Creative. In today's video, I'll teach you how to do the Jeny's stretchy bind off. This technique creates a beautiful stretchy edge that's perfect for ribbed or lace projects, where you need flexibility but also want a neat finish. Let's dive right in. For this bind off, you can use your current needle size or one size down for a bit of tightness and some stitch definition. Here I have a 1x1 rib sample on my needles that I intend to bind off. But the steps I'll be explaining can also be applied to a 2x2 rib or even on a stockinette sample. You just have to be aware of what stitch you need to bind off next. I'll show you. Okay, so to start, work the first stitch as normal, just knit or purl depending on which stitch you start your row. In my case, I'll knit the first stitch. Okay, so now, the next stitch is a purl stitch, in my case. Before a purl stitch, you always yarn over and then purl. Now pass the two previous stitches over the last stitch you just worked. This means the yarn over and the knit stitch that we just worked, we're gonna pass them over. And you end up with one stitch on your needle. Okay, so if the next stitch is a knit stitch, you do again a yarn over, but backwards, like this. Let me show you again. Then knit the stitch. And as before, pass the previous two stitches over the stitch you just worked. You have to repeat these steps until all stitches have been bound off. The next stitch is a purl stitch, so just do a normal yarn over, purl the stitch, pass the previous two stitches over, the next stitch is a knit stitch, then yarn over backwards like this, knit one, and pass the previous two stitches over. After you reach the last stitch, just cut the yarn and pull the tail. And there you go! Look at that beautiful stretchy bind off edge. It's perfect for projects that need a flexible finish, like socks, cuffs or lace shawls. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this technique before, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.